Today, we learn a very important Chinese vocabulary pattern built around the character diǎn. The character diǎn works as a meaning unit that expresses a small amount, a specific point or aspect, or a key idea or feature. In grammar and vocabulary building, it often turns abstract ideas into clear points. So instead of memorizing words one by one, you should think of diǎn as a meaning anchor that marks a part of something.
Now let's go through 10 essential vocabulary words built with the character diǎn. The first word is 一点. This means a little or a bit. It is made up of 一, which means one, and 点, which means a dot or a small amount. Literally, it means one small point, but in real usage, it simply means a little bit. For example, 我想喝一点水, meaning I want to drink a little water. Native speakers use this all the time when they want to reduce the intensity or amount of something in conversation.
The second word is 点心. This means snack or dim sum. It is made up of 点, meaning a small portion or point, and 心, which means heart or center. Literally, it feels like something that touches the heart, but in real usage, it refers to small pieces of food or snacks. For example, 我喜欢吃点心 means I like eating snacks. This is a very common everyday word, especially in food culture. The third word is 重点. This means key point. It is made up of 重, which means important or heavy, and 点, meaning point. Literally, it means important point. And in real usage, it refers to the main idea or the most important part of something. For example, 这是考试的重点 means this is the key point of the exam. You will hear this constantly in schools, meetings, and explanations. The fourth word is 特点. This means characteristic or feature. It is made up of 特, meaning special, and 点, meaning point. So literally, it means special point, and in real usage, it refers to what makes someone or something unique. For example, 他的特点是很安静 means his characteristic is being very quiet. This word is commonly used when describing people, products, or situations. The fifth word is 优点. This means advantage or strength. It is made up of 优, meaning excellent or good, and 点, meaning point. Literally, it means good point, and in real usage, it refers to positive qualities. For example, 这个手机有很多优点 means this phone has many advantages. Native speakers use this very often when comparing or evaluating things. The sixth word is 缺点. This means disadvantage or weakness. It is made up of 缺, meaning missing or lacking, and 点, meaning point. Literally, it means missing point, and in real usage, it refers to weaknesses or problems. For example, 每个人都有缺点 means everyone has weaknesses. This word is extremely common in both casual speech and formal contexts. The seventh word is 起点. This means starting point. It is made up of 起, meaning to start or rise, and 点, meaning point. Literally, it is the point where something begins. For example, 这是比赛的起点 means this is the starting point of the race. You will often see this in sports, journeys, and any kind of process. The eighth word is 终点. This means finish point or destination. It is made up of 终, meaning end or final, and 点, meaning point. Literally, it is the ending point of something. For example, 终点就在前面 means the finish line is right ahead. This is commonly used in races, travel, and describing final results.
The ninth word is 闪点. This means flashpoint or critical point. It is made up of 闪, meaning flash or blink, and 点, meaning point. Literally, it refers to a flashing or ignition point. In real usage, it is often used in technical or serious contexts to describe a dangerous or critical moment. For example, 这是一个危险的闪点 means this is a dangerous flashpoint. The 10th word is 难点. This means difficult point or hard part. It is made up of 难, meaning difficult, and 点, meaning point. Literally, it means the point that is difficult, and in real usage, it refers to the hardest part of a task or question. For example, 这个问题的难点在哪里 means where is the difficult part of this question? This word is very common in study and problem-solving situations.